Okay, hi guys, my name is Amar and this is my first video in English, so excuse my grammar because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm here to review, actually not a review, just an impression, my story with Corolla XSE and XLE. What's the difference and why I think it's way better than the SE standard or the LE, worth the upgrade. As you see here, I did some modification here. I'm kind of a car guy, so pretty much what I did is I wrapped the top in 3M black, gloss black. This is factory XSE, and diffuser's factory. I changed the tail light, very nice, especially at night. People saying it's like an Audi. I removed the Corolla badge, which was here, so small, and I place the Corolla letter. I got it from the Chevy Colorado emblem. I bought 2 of them and I just cut it and place it here, and I did this frame. It's matte black with a JR logo. Kind of my thing. I like to put some small touches to make the car looks different. Cool about this, the car came with factory Michelin tires, so I don't want to switch them. I just switched the rims. Don't get me wrong, the original rims is still cool. I don't like usually original rims. I like to switch the original factory rims always. These are a little bit lighter and the color is unique. I like blue. I see a lot of people doing black rims, chrome rims, everybody doing the same, but I want something different, so I think it looks good. As you see, the yellow caliper here is not actually a caliper, it's just a brake caliper cover, which pretty much you can get it from eBay for around like 20 bucks. The rims itself, I got it from Car ID, and I got some special promo code, so I got them really good deal on it. It's the same as factory rim size. It's 8-inch width, and I think it's 112 by 5, the lug nuts. And of course I bought a key lock, so somebody will steal it. But the tires are factory. It was on the factory rims, so I just switched them with the aftermarket rims. And the front, I didn't do anything yet. I'm still thinking. The cool about the XSE, it comes with the smart key access to unlock the car. All you have to do is just place your hand and unlock it. And you see, I think SE model is the same as the XSE, with the leather seats. I think it's two-tone, like half leather, half cloth. The different here, you have push startup button and 7-inch digital screen. So all you have to do is just click. Very cool for a Corolla, I was planning to get the fully loaded trim, but I couldn't find fully loaded with JBL audio system in white color, so I was like, okay, I'll just get the, because I really like white color usually. It's good when you planning to modify a car from outside. Any modification looks good on the white color, and it's my favorite color. All my previous cars are in white. The audio system for the car, it's a little bit upgraded from the SE trim. They call it Audio Plus. It's the same speakers, 6 speakers, but I don't know why they call it Audio Plus. But it has a good bass. I think they just increased the amplifier or something. I don't think they switched the speakers, otherwise they will just do JBL, you know, instead of upgrading a little bit. But there's a fully loaded trim. It comes with JBL audio system in a Corolla, and it comes with lighting package, and I don't have that package. And here, instead of just a storage area, it comes with wireless charging for the fully loaded XSE. But I don't need that because I use Apple CarPlay. It will be cool if they have wireless Apple CarPlay, but they don't. But I think since this system called ETUNE 3.0, and I have a Wi-Fi capability, so I think they can do something to upgrade the firmware for the screen to make it Apple CarPlay wireless instead of the cable. Here's the cable. What you have to do, just place the cable here, and you plug it, and boom. So you put your car here, but I use Apple CarPlay a lot. It's very, and the screen is very nice. I mean, the system, I don't even thinking to change it. It's compatible with the screen here. Everything is compatible. All I'm thinking just to add a little bit of bass. So I listen to trance music, so bass is very important. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just go with the box, subwoofer box. That's it. Nothing more fancy. Or the subwoofer under the seat, which is, I'm thinking about it. And the good thing, when you put it here on the sport mode, turns to red. And as you know, the SE is 2.0 engine, and the LE is 1.8, so it's a big difference. The LE model also, they have like smaller rims from factory, 16-inch. The SE, they come with a 18-inch factory rims, so that's something to consider, the difference between XSE and SE, and the LE and the XLE too. XLE model, as you see, I bought it at the beginning because I was looking for XSE, and the dealer, they told me we don't have an XSE. And after I got the XLE, it was nice, don't get me wrong, and instead of half leather and half cloth, it's fully leather, as you see in the videos. But I wasn't happy with the exterior for the car, so after 1 month I checked the dealer website, and they already got XSE with white. So I switched again. I trade in the old 2021 XLE to 2021 XSE because I really like the look for the XSE model. It looks sporty, it looks nice, nicer than the XLE. That's it pretty much. You can see you see your WhatsApp, your Amazon Music, your Sirius XM, app 2, DI radio. All the apps here are mostly will show up, but mostly I use the Waze app and the Google Map app. As you see, Waze, it's nice. So yeah, this is pretty much a small car vlogging, express my ideas about the Corolla. I like to modify cars in general. I used to have a Camaro, I used to have a Chevy SS, but soon, this is my first video in English. I'll just give it a try. And if you guys have any question about the parts or the modifications, you can comment, send me a message or comment below on the comment section, and I'll list a link for all the parts I bought below in the description if you're interested to modify too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video soon.